Choosing a trading platform can be difficult, especially if you're just starting out. Who can you trust with your money? How to avoid expensive fees and choose the best trading platform for your investments. Over the past few years, we've spent hours compiling, researching, and comparing financial services from around the world to help our users invest. We've reviewed and compared over 5 different online trading platforms and created a product that can help you compare them and choose the right one for you. And in this video, we'll guide you on how you can choose the best trading platforms available in Dubai and the UAE. First, prioritize the security of the best trading platforms in the UAE. Safety is better than cheap. Remember that investing is a long-term game, so it's best to choose a service provider that you can trust for years to come. Make sure it's licensed to operate in Dubai and the UAE. Check which platforms have the highest assets under management and how they compare to the assets under management of other brokers. United Arab Emirates, UAE. High net worth individuals prefer to choose platforms that they can trust and that provide good service. Some brokers have an average user balance of $500, while others have an average user balance of over $100,000. Make sure it offers the products you want to trade. Not all platforms. Product offerings of UAE brokers, Forex, stocks, crypto, etc. Investment platforms allow you to trade crypto or options, for example. So you need to make sure you choose a provider that is best for the instruments you want to trade. Day traders prefer CFDs, while long-term investors prefer brokers that offer ownership of real assets. When it comes to fees, it is important to analyze what you will be charged. Transparency is key. The fees of the best brokers in the UAE can reduce your returns and make a big difference in the long run. Account currency in the UAE. The main account currency of trading platforms in the UAE is AED. It is important to choose a platform that does not charge too much. Now turning to our top picks to convert your AED to another currency, we have selected the 6 best trading platforms in the UAE. The platforms are Interactive Brokers, Saxo Bank, XTB, Sawa Euro, and Plus 500. You can see our comparisons here. Our top pick is Interactive Brokers. Overall, Interactive Brokers is our top recommendation. Interactive Brokers, #1 best trading platform in the UAE. This is a globally recognized broker that was established in 1978. It offers low fees, the largest range of products in the industry, and high interest rates on cash balances, including AED. The downside is that the fee structure is quite complicated and the platform is quite difficult to use. You can trade or invest in a wide range of products, including stocks, ETFs, options, futures, currencies, bonds, and other financial instruments. Another major advantage is its pricing. Interactive Brokers is known for relatively low trading costs, and its commission structure depends on the market, product, and pricing plan you choose. For example, IBKR offers commission-free trading on eligible U.S. exchange-listed stocks and ETFs through IBKR Lite, although availability and conditions depend on the account and location. IBKR also offers fractional shares, allowing eligible investors to purchase a portion of certain stocks rather than a whole share. For advanced traders, Interactive Brokers provides powerful trading tools, advanced charts, market data, research, and professional order types. There is also an extensive educational section called Traders Academy. Next up is eToro. eToro, #2, best trading platform in the UAE. Get a free stock/crypto worth $50. It is best for beginners and those interested in social trading, that is following other investors' trades. It is a good option if you are interested in crypto trading. It offers commission-free trading for some stocks and ETFs, although the spreads are a bit high. Fees can be high for some products. The platform is user-friendly and regulated by top authorities. However, the only accepted currency here is USD, so you will have to pay a conversion fee if you deposit in AED. Another advantage is its relatively simple and user-friendly interface. This can make the platform attractive to people who are new to investing. eToro also offers fractional investing, which means you can invest in a fraction of certain assets instead of purchasing a whole unit. Depending on your country, eToro can provide access to stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, CFDs, and other investment products. The platform also provides a virtual portfolio, which allows users to practice without risking real money. Next up is Sawa, which is best for beginners and automated investing. Sawa, third best trading platform in the UAE. SWA is based in Dubai and offers a variety of services, including
Saxo Trade US stock and ETF trading, SWA Invest robo-advisory, and Sawa cryptocurrency trading. It is known for its low fees, ease of access, and transparency. Sawa is a great choice for beginners. The downside is that it has a limited asset offering and is new to the industry with a short track record. Another useful feature is the ability to place market and limit orders. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, which can be helpful for people who don't want an overly complicated trading interface. Sarwa also offers other financial products, including investment and saving services, depending on your location and eligibility. However, availability is important here. Sarwa is particularly focused on the UAE and certain international customers, so you should check whether the service is available in your country before opening an account. Saxo Bank is best for professionals. It is a multi-asset broker. Saxo Bank, the fourth best trading platform in the UAE. It is a broker with years of experience and a wide range of over 72,000 tradable instruments. Saxo Bank allows you to open accounts in a variety of currencies, including USD, UR, GBP, and several other major currencies. They have 3 account types: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. Each has its own features and services. The downside is that the fees are higher than average, and the fee structure is quite complicated. One of Saxo's biggest strengths is its trading technology. The company offers platforms such as Saxo Investor and Saxo Trader. Saxo Investor is designed to provide a simpler investing experience, while Saxo Trader provides more advanced tools for active traders. Saxo Trader includes advanced charting, technical analysis tools, different order types, risk management features, and professional trading functionality. Another interesting feature is its demo account. Saxo says users can try its trading platform with a simulated 100,000 US dollars through a 20-day demo account. Next on our list, XTB. XTB is the best for Forex and Islamic account. Fifth best trading platform in the UAE. XTB is a major part of the brokerage industry, regulated by a leading institution and listed on the Warsaw Stock Exchange. You can invest in a variety of investment products such as stocks, ETFs, and CFDs on stocks, Forex indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It offers 0% commission on and ETFs, but other fees may apply. It also has a licensed office in the UAE with the Dubai Financial Services Authority. XTB also offers Islamic swap-free accounts for operations in the region. XTB also supports fractional investing for eligible stocks and ETFs, allowing investors to gain exposure without necessarily purchasing a whole share. Another advantage is its trading platform, which is designed to provide market information, charts, analysis tools, and trading functionality in one place. For beginners, XTB also provides educational materials that can help users understand financial markets and trading concepts. Finally, Plus 500 is the best for CFD traders. Plus 500 offers. Plus 500, sixth best trading platform in the UAE. Islamic swap-free accounts for UAE residents. It also has offices in the United Arab Emirates and is authorized and regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority. There is only one account type. 500 CFD, as the name suggests, only offers CFD products in other countries. Plus 500 also offers its users the opportunity to trade stocks through Plus 500 Invest. However, it is not yet available to investors in the United Arab Emirates. Their spreads are low in 16 currencies, including USD, AED, EUR, and GBP. However, they do charge a 7% currency conversion fee and a $10 monthly fee if there is no activity for 3 months. Plus 500 mainly earns revenue through spreads and other applicable trading charges, depending on the product and market. The platform also provides tools such as price alerts, risk management features, and charts. However, this platform comes with a very important warning.